Ever wondered how to capture breathtaking aerial footage or stunning bird's-eye view photos without the hassle of heavy equipment or the need for professional skills? Meet the KBDFA E88, a quadcopter that's set to change your perspective and elevate your photography game. This state-of-the-art quadcopter operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, equipped with a 4-channel 816 coreless motor. It's powered by a 3.7-volt, 1,800 mAh LiPo battery, guaranteeing an impressive flying time of up to 10 minutes on a single charge. And with a remote control distance of up to 100 meters, there's no limit to the expansive views you can capture. One of the standout features of the KBDFA E88 is its compact, foldable design. This small-sized drone is easy to carry around, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. But don't let its size fool you. This quadcopter comes packed with features designed to enhance your flying experience and capture high-quality images and videos. Connect it to your phone using its built-in Wi-Fi function and control it through the APP or APK system. Choose between 2 camera options, 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera. Either way, you're assured of high-definition pictures and videos that will astound you. With its altitude hold mode, the KBDFA E88 ensures stable flight, making it easier for you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. It also boasts a headless mode, so there's no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. And with its one-key return function, your drone can easily find its way back home. For more adventurous flyers, the KBDFA E88 has a trajectory flight feature. Draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will follow it autonomously. It also comes with 3-level flight speed, so you can adjust according to your needs or preferences. Durability? Check. The quadcopter's fuselage is made of high-strength, resistant engineering plastics. It's lightweight, durable, and built to withstand the demands of any flight. In every package, you'll get the E88 RC quadcopter, a transmitter, a 7V 1,800 mAh LiPo battery, a USB charging cable, and 4 protection covers. So why wait? Discover new heights and capture stunning visuals with the KBDFA E88 quadcopter. It's not just a drone, it's your ticket to a whole new perspective. Order now and elevate your photography to the skies.